This is POCO X6 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search pull enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app and tap to consent and to OK. And now we could see here information about our battery temperature, and in my case that's 31 and 6 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.